Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to work on this given problem that involves order of mathematical operation. In this problem, we've been asked that we have to insert the parentheses in such a way in this given expression such that we are going to get a value of 21. Can you take your time and tell me what is going to be the best location if we put parentheses or brackets, we can get a value of 21. You can take your time, you can pause the video. And here is our correct answer with the correct location for these parentheses, or sometimes we call it brackets. So over here, this is our answer. And now we are going to justify that this is the right location for these parentheses. And here are the rules that we will be using called PEMDAS, or sometimes we call it BODMAS. And here we're going to be working with this within this parentheses. As you can see, 3 plus 7 is going to give us 10 first, and then we are going to go from the left to right, and then 10 minus 6 is going to give us 4. So simply we got now 4 times, in this parentheses we got a value of 4, and then times 1 plus 5. As you know that we always go from left to right, so we're going to do this one first. 4 times 4 is going to give us 20. 4 times 4 is 16, and then times 1 plus 5. Once again, we are going to do 16 times 1 is going to be 16, and then plus 5 is going to give us 21, and that is the correct value. So that means that we got the correct location for these parentheses. And here is your assignment. Can you work on this problem on your own? You can take your time, you can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.